Do you have a DIY or preformed koi pond? Did you end up getting something that felt like it was going to be a small something, and suddenly the fish that you put in there are just getting bigger and bigger, but your preformed tub, or hot tub in this case, doesn't? That's exactly what happened with this homeowner. She converted her hot tub into a koi pond, complete with aquatic plants, pumps, aeration systems, and of course koi and goldfish. By the end of this video, if you should get a few ideas on your own of what you could do, or at least what's possible when a temporary solution for your koi or hobby becomes a forever pond. So having these fish in a hot tub for multiple years, it didn't seem like all that big of a deal, but it had made her fall in love with the aquascaping industry and what the possibilities were. So she didn't just want a koi pond, she wanted a pond that looked like it had been there forever. Like this pond was in the backyard with the koi fish in the house and the deck, and everything was built up to it. And she knew what she wanted. She had been cleaning a filter every single day, so low maintenance was a huge thing. She wanted that 5 to 10 minutes a week of that's all it's gonna take to keep this thing looking great. And she wanted it designed to integrate with that future deck. So this was one of the most fun design aspects of this. We met with the guy that was going to be building the deck. It was her, and then him and myself. We all conglomerated and we got together with this artistic vision of what was going to be created and how the koi pond was going to come up to the edge and how it was going to have this curved deck feature with no rail, so you could sit there and put your feet in the water, and that is exactly what was happening. So this was a 14 by 14 pond, 2 feet deep, upgraded filtration system to put up with a heavier fish load, because that's exactly why she's doing what she's doing, was for the love of her little water puppies. So the transformation of this, going from the hot tub to the pond, absolutely astronomical. She was over the moon. So it was the best thing. As soon as we finished this pond, we fired up the waterfall. We released, after acclimating the fish, we released them into there, and they immediately began to explore. They were all following each other around, swimming in big circles around the pond, in and out of the fish cave, in front of the underwater lighting system, and of course, hanging out and bubbling up through where that waterfall crashes in from the high oxygen content. This was a whole new experience for them, something that they had never probably thought that they would get to experience. It was just amazing getting to watch them swim around after seeing them still sitting in the hot tub. Going from that into this paradise was absolutely awesome. So the pond blended in perfectly, but a once temporary solution, this, a hot tub, who would have thought that this hot tub in the deck becomes a koi tub, inspires something of this magnitude to be in the backyard. So from a hot tub example to a natural looking koi pond, this is how a temporary solution can become a true backyard oasis and inspire the inspiration and the love of the aquascaping lifestyle. So if you have a similar scenario to this, you got a preformed pond, perhaps even a hot tub with koi in it, and they're starting to outgrow, here's proof that you can create something permanent and beautiful. Here's hopefully some inspiration for you guys of what the potentials could be to get your fish into a room where they have room to expand.